Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nazarul Amin bin Nazri. Today, I would like to propose a project that can be applied in the civil engineering. After discussing among the group members, we decided to choose program that can be applied in structural analysis. As you can see at the figure 1, will be this program will be focused on the beam structure. The situation at the figure 1 also can be changed by changing the position of the point load and changing the distance of the variable c, x and y. So this program will be compute the support reaction at A and B, the internal forces and the internal moment at the cut section C. Next, we move on to the project description. To create this program, first of all, we need to plan and analyze. This means that we need to gather all the information related to the calculation of beam and analyze all the information obtained. We need to study what is the equation to be used to calculate the reaction at the support, the internal moment and the internal force. After we get all the information, we can design our program. Based on our proposed design, we would like to create a program that can calculate the support reaction, the internal forces and the internal moment at the cut section. And then we will be implemented the coding at the Python programming. In the Python programming, we will use the suitable language and also we will use the element like selection and the repetition. Then we will do a testing and integration. Once the coding complete, the program will be tested to check the functionality of this program. The value given by the Python will be compared to the value that is calculated manually by us. We will also do the deployment of the program. In this phase, any error occurred will be fixed to achieve the goal of this program. For the further details, we will explain to you our flowchart.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Shahida binti Basunan. I'm from Group 2 and my matric number is DF190153. So today I would like to present our proposal video which is structural analysis using Python programming language. Okay, for the flowchart, our group have been divided the flowchart into 3 parts. For part 1, like usually, the flowchart will start with start and declare the float, which is I, J, X, Y, C, L1 and L2. Then we put the input from the user. Then for the operator, Y, for the operator, X equal to C, Y equal to C, and C less than or equal to 0. If the value that we put that into the operator is invalid, the program will ask us to enter the new value. Then after we put the operator, they will start calculate the RA and RB. For the part 2, if C less than L1, then we'll look at the operator. If X less than C and Y less than C, the program will calculate the VC and MC, then show the result of VC and MC. If not, they will look at the second condition, which is X less than C and Y more than C. If the operator is correct, the program will calculate the VC and MC, then print the value of VC and MC. If the second condition are not correct, they will look at the third condition, which is X more than C and Y more than C. Then the program will calculate the VC and MC, then print VC and MC value. If the all the three conditions are correct, the program will print the problem can be solved. So for the part 3, C more than L1. So then we will look at the condition X less than C and Y less than C. If the operator is correct, the program will calculate VC and MC, then print the value VC and MC. And if all the three operator is incorrect, the program will print problem can be solved and ends.
Hello, my name is Irfan Dinar Marifan and I will be presenting pseudocode for this project. First, we will start, then declare ij xyc l1 l2, then input ij l1 l2, input xyc, while x equals c, y equals c, and c equals 0. If yes, print the value is invalid, enter the new value. If no, calculate RA, RB. If C less than L1, if X less than C, and Y less than C, calculate VCMC, print VCMC. If X less than C and Y more than C, calculate VCMC, print VCMC. If X more than C and Y more than C, calculate VCMC, print VCMC. Next, else if the print the problem can't be solved. Else if C more than L1, if X less than C and Y less than C, calculate VCMC, print VCMC. If X less than C and Y less than C, calculate VCMC, print VCMC. If X less than C and Y less than C, calculate VCMC, print VCMC. Else if print the problem can't be solved. And thank you.
As a conclusion, in a nutshell, Python is a cross-utilitarian. It also maximally desired language that has a bunch of preference to bring to the table. Another Python favorable position is high coherence that encourage designer to save time by composing less line of code for achieving the undertaking. Despite of being quick, Python agree well with information investigation and essentially in life. That's all from me. Thank you.